Otiko mag tuke ariyo mokwongo mag CHAN nyousi odiechieng' manyoro kidienje adek duto. Otiko mag VVIP nousi kuom siling $1,000 eka nyong'iew gi duto ka sama bende noyaw mbui mar ng'iewogi. Koloso e nyim kamati mar od bura ewi tuke, jakom mar kamati maloso CHAN e pachoka Nicholas Musonye nowacho ni biro keto ohinga mabiro gayo johera mag adhula machiegni gi rangae to moloyo e seche ma tim ma pacho tugo.
There will be no ticket sale on the day of the match. Tickets, when Kenya is playing on second or on third, there will be no sale of tickets on the third. We said the previous day, so that people are prepared. Because if you allow tickets to be sold on the day of the match, that's when you get that kind of crowd without tickets. So the experience we had during Kenya Gabon was that some tickets were sold on the day of the match, and that the crowd was keen to watch our ambassadors play at home after a very long time. But here we are saying, and as Mheshimiwa says, saying and doing are two different things. We have learned a lesson, and our security team, with our LOC team also, we are having a meeting from today onwards, daily, to review our security organization.